Losing light. Need a safe spot before it's pitch black. Finally. Flat ground, good trees, this is camp. Clear the roots. Smooth ground means a decent sleep. Tighten that line. If it sags, the shelter fails. Tarp pitched, pad down. It's not much, but it's dry. Rain starting. Radio's dead. Just me and the jungle. This water looks clear, but clear does not mean safe. In survival situations, appearances can be deadly. Finding water starts with listening. The sound of moving water guides me through the forest. I choose flowing water, not stagnant pools. I collect from a clean, stable section, away from contamination. This filter removes dirt and debris. It improves clarity, but it does not make water safe. Boiling is critical. Heat destroys microorganisms that filtration cannot remove. Clean water is survival. Do every step correctly and you earn another day.
You'll need 3 types of material: tinder, kindling, and fuel. Ensure you have enough of each before starting the fire. Primitive fire making requires patience, control, and oxygen. Rushing wastes energy. Precision creates flame.
This dense ground cover consists mainly of ferns and these small berry bushes. It's vital to know which ones are safe.
Day 4, Scene 3. Today we are looking at the delicate nature of these wild berries and how to properly identify them on the forest floor.
Now we gently lower the foraged plants into the simmering water. This helps retain their nutrients.
And with this final piece, the main structure is complete. Take your time getting it seated just right. Stability is crucial.